Hello everyone, Vignesh here. Welcome to the another Power Pack session of Digital Marketing course by StarAgile. Now we are diving into meta ad fundamentals and campaign creation. In this video, we'll discuss about introduction to meta ads, campaign creation, and different objectives and structure of campaigns and much more. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to the another session. In this, we are going to discuss about how you can able to run meta ads. So in case of meta ads, if you run a campaign, the campaign will publish on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, so Facebook audience network, and also on WhatsApp in future. So these are the different placements, and also and Messenger. So your campaigns will published on these platforms. But before going to the Facebook ads, yes, we know that Facebook is a social media platform, and so there we have an organic content posting and also running paid ads. So Facebook, Instagram, Thread, so Messenger all comes under the parent company Meta. Now, in order to run the campaign on Facebook or Instagram, now you need to know there are few basic things which is needed. What are the basic things? If you want to run the ad in Facebook, you need to have a Facebook profile. Under that, you need to create something called as business page. You need to have a business page. And you can run the campaign only if you want to show the ad on Facebook likewise. But if you want to connect your Facebook and Instagram, that is also possible. But only the thing is, you want to create a profile in your Instagram and convert that profile as a professional account. Okay, by default, whenever you create an account in Instagram, that will be your personal profile. Now you want to convert that personal profile to the professional account. So once it converted as the professional account, so in case of your Facebook page, there is an option called Meta Business Shoot. So you can connect your Facebook page and Instagram professional account. So you can connect your Facebook page and your Instagram professional account. You can connect these both the platforms. Now, what is the next thing you can do it? We'll see everything in live. Now, what we are going to do? So, if you create a Facebook profile, this is how it looks in case of your Facebook profile. So, you can just click on the 9 dots. You have an option called pages. So, you can create multiple pages under the same profile. So, click on create new profile or a page, public page, click on next. Here they will ask you the series of questions. What is the page name? What is the category? So what is your bio? What is the contact details? What is the address? Likewise, you want to enter all these details. The page name should not be a generic one. So for example, digital marketing, so Google Ads. No, it should be a unique name for your brand. So we already know that how you can able to plan your domain name and everything, which we discussed during the website topic, the same concept which you can able to apply. So once you created the pages, your pages will look somewhat like this. So in case of, you can change your personal profile to your multiple pages by clicking on the profile picture in the top right corner. So you complete the setup of creating pages. So it will have a series of questions. You can jump between your profile and your page. I created the page name in the name of my name, Vignesh 𝐀𝐿. That is my brand name. I kept it in that way, and I connected with my Instagram account. I will show you how to do that. So switch it to your Facebook page, and in the bottom you can see an option called Meta Business Shoot option, and in that option, so you can able to check so whether your Facebook page is connected with your Instagram or not. Okay, if it, as of now it is got connected. If it does not get connected, so here it will show you the option called connect with your Instagram account. So if it is showing, if you should click on it and you want to connect with your Instagram account, so your Facebook page and your Instagram professional account got connected. It is not compulsory you want to connect every time, but yes, if you are connected, that will maintain a professionalism. So you can able to post the content on Facebook, it will get automatically published on Instagram. Likewise, you can able to collaborate it. Now so we maintain the initial setups. If you want to run the meta ads, if you want to run the ad on Facebook or Instagram, you want to create a Facebook profile and you want to have a business page, done. So you want to create an Instagram profile, convert that profile to the professional account and connect to the meta business shoot, done. Next, you want to create something called as ads manager. How you want to run the ad in Google, you need a Google ads account. Like the same way, if you want to run the ad in Meta, you need a Meta ads manager. You need a Meta ads manager. So go for your Facebook page. So in that, so you can see an option called ads manager, not the ad center. You should click on the ads manager. It will redirect you to the ads manager page, so that we can able to set up our campaigns. This is how your page will look. So this is the campaign manager page. So same like Google, in case of Meta ads, they have 3 levels. First level, we call it as campaign level. Second level, we call it as ad set level. And last level, we call it as ad level. Now, in case of Meta ads, there are different objectives are there. For what purpose you are running the campaign. So click on create. So they will ask you to choose the objective. So you can run the campaign for just awareness purpose. For example, if you are launching a food stall or if you are having any shop. So if you want multiple people to aware about it, you are launching a new franchisee or whatever it is, you can just go for the awareness campaign. If you want to drive the traffic for your website, and if you want to have increasing the engagement of your post, you can generate leads by using instant forms, and you can able to promote your applications, and you can able to increase the sales of your e-commerce website by using different objectives. So now I'm just choosing the objective as traffic. Click on continue. Always try preferring manual traffic campaign to have more control over you. Now, in case of here, there are 3 levels. First level, we call it as campaign level. So in the initial campaign, we'll discuss. So in case of campaign level, will not have much of an options. Okay, you can change the name of the campaign. If you are running an A/B testing, so you can choose A/B testing. And if you are running different ad sets, so in that cases, you can go for advantage campaign budget. So otherwise, you can just choose the name of the campaign. I'm just choosing StarAgile traffic campaign. Okay, so one. So you don't need to change anything on the campaign details. So we are running with only one ad set. So no need to choose the campaign advantage campaign budget option. So no need of A/B testing. Special ad category. For example, if you are running an ad related to finance products, or if you are running an ad related to employment, housing, or any social issues or political ads, that is the time you want to choose a special ad category thing. So if you are running an ad related to any course or if any real estate or something, so you don't need to run any special ad category. If you are running for services, you don't need to choose it. If you are running an ad related to credit card or any employment related or anything related to the politics or social issues, that is the time you want to choose these type of campaign. Now, that's it under the campaign level. Go for the next level, which is called as ad set level. So more of targeting will be comes under the ad set level. So in case of ad set level, you will choose, so what is your conversion and what is your conversion location. So conversion, so website, and what is your sub goal. You want most number of landing page view or more clicks to be happen on your creative. You want more people to visit your landing page or more clicks to be happened on your poster. So or how many you want the unique number of people, or more impression should happen, or more conversation should happen. So which is your primary goal you want to decide it. I'm just choosing it. So choosing maximum number of landing page viewers, fine. So I will not choose any cost per goal as of now. I will go for the budget part. So in case of running an ad in Google, we don't have any minimum budget, but while running the ad on Meta, we do have the minimum daily budget. So which is of 89.19 rupees per day. The number which is mentioned over here, it is without GST. For example, if I'm mentioning it as 90 rupees, so additionally we will get charged 18% of GST. So I'm just giving a minimum daily budget of 100 rupees per day. So if I give 100 rupees, it will tell you, so what will be the estimated reach and how much landing page views I will got. If I want to increase my reach for more number of people, obviously I should spend the higher cost. If I spend more, obviously my poster will reach for more audience and my video or content will reach for more audience and I will get more reach. Then I will choose my audience. So audiences will discuss in deeper, but same here also we can able to target the audience based on the location. So we can target different countries, a particular state, city, pin code, radius, all the different ways we can able to target. Example, so we can target entire India. If you want to target entire state Karnataka, if you want to target a particular city, you can search for the particular city and you can target only Bangalore. So I don't want to target Bangalore, I want to target a particular pin code. So you can just search for the pin code and you can target the particular pin code also. So or if you want to target via radius wise, so I can just go for the drop pin option. For example, I can click on it. So I can target, so either with pin code or radius. If I want to target 3 miles of radius, or so here you have the option. So you can able to increase the radius wise also. You can target in multiple methods and you can target people based on their age, languages. So on what language they are using the Facebook or Instagram application, you can able to target that kind of users. So here we will much discuss about the audience, but this is the place you will spend much of the time. So policy and regulatory, if you are running an ad related to securities and investment, that is the time you can go for it. Placements, where you want to show your ads. So by default, it will be an advantage plus placement. You can go with the manual placement. For example, you already connected Facebook and Instagram. Your ads will start showing from Facebook, start showing on Facebook, Instagram, Audience Network, Messenger, WhatsApp, Threads, all the places. But if you don't want to show your ads on Threads, if you don't want to show your ads on Audience Network, if you don't want to show your ads on Messenger, you can decide it where your ads wants to show, which we can go much deeper. For example, in case of I don't want to show my ads on Facebook, I want to show it on feed, but I don't want to show it on the profile feed, but I don't want to show it on the marketplace of Facebook. You can decide, I want my ad to be appeared only on the feed of Facebook or only on the story of Facebook. You can decide your placements much deeper. Okay, interesting. So that is the place. Okay, so the same thing you can do it for Instagram. So where you want your ads to get appeared. So everything we can able to plan it. That is what comes under the placement part. Placements means where your ad wants to show. Done. Click on next. We'll go for the next level. So in case of ad set level, so we choose what are the things we chosen. So we chose, so what is the conversion and what is your performance goal. So what is your performance goal? You want to increase your landing page view or increase your number of clicks. So that you will choose under the ad set level. Next you will choose the budget and audience and placement. So everything you will choose under the ad set level. Next we have something called as ad level. Obviously ad is nothing but what you want to show for the people, especially what you want to show for your audience, and if they make an interaction where you want to redirect. That is what we'll discuss under the ad level. We'll go for the next level, which is ad level. Here choose the page. Choose the page which you want to run the campaign. If the Instagram account is already get connected, it will automatically show. And ad setup. So you can choose a single image, carousel, meaning of multiple images. Especially this type of thing will helpful for an e-commerce brand. So if they have a sofa, if they have a furniture, whatever it is, if they keep on scrolling, so they can click on it and they can redirect for the right product. So that is how they can do it. Collection. So in the top, a video will be playing, and below that the products will get displayed. So it's not selected yet, but we'll go with a single image or a video one. So in case of that, I will choose the creative, so single image or video, and destination where we want to drive the user for our website. So here we will paste the website URL. So I'm just pasting. So yeah, I want to run for the StarAgile website, so I'm just choosing their URL. So you can just keep it, and display link, paste the same link, and source URL and creative. So first you want to choose which page you want to run the campaign. Add setup, you want to choose manual, single image, destination, choose for which website you want to redirect the customer, and last come for the add creative part. So click on add media, add an image, and choose the image which you want to show for the audience, guys. So choose the image so which you want to show for your audience. I'm just created a basic one. So want to promote your business online, so just contact us. Likewise, you can able to choose the image. Whenever you are creating an image, guys, create one for the feed, which is the square dimension, and create one for the story, which is the vertical format. You can keep it original, but top and bottom will be cropped, so you can just plan accordingly. So what is the dimension you want to create? So in that, click on next. So if you want the AI to recommend few images, yes, you can go with that. So better to skip and continue, and click on done. So if you want the AI to use if you want to use the AI images, yes, you can go with that. And this is how your image will show for the people. If they click on it, they will redirect to the website URL which you gave. Now you want to give the primary text, that is the text will show it in the top. So primary text, want to promote your business online or move your business to online. Likewise, you can add, so what are the values you will provide for them. So you can add, so a good primary text which will come in the top, and headline. StarAgile marketing agency. So likewise, the headline will come over here, and description, best offer or 20% offer. Likewise, you can add the description, so it will come below, guys. So below the thing, so it's not yet loaded it, but it will come. And you can choose the call to action button instead of learn more. If you want to have a call to action button, call get quotation or get offer, get quote, apply now, book now, so get updates, get access. Likewise, if you want to change the call to action button, yes, you can able to change it. So here you can see only two preview. If you click on advanced preview, it will show you the preview of multiple placements. So how your ad will appear on the Facebook feed, how your ad will appear on the Instagram feed, Instagram story in a different format. So likewise, it will show you multiple placements and how your ads will appear. So in case of how your ad will appear on the Instagram reels and how your ad will appear on Facebook story, you can see the preview. So obviously, if anyone click on it, click on the call to action get code, or everyone will land on the same landing page. So what is the URL which you gave over in the top? So what is the URL you gave? So the website URL is StarAgile. So people will go for this particular page. So whenever you are running an ad, so obviously try to use a landing page instead of the home page. So you should create a separate landing page whenever you are running a campaign. And after finishing it, if you have a pixel setup, yeah, you can connect with that, and you can able to add the tracking. So then click on publish. So once you have a proper payment, if you click on publish, the campaign will get published. So if you put publish, I will just switch it off. Okay. So this is how you can able to create a basic campaign in Meta. So in Meta, it is not much of a keyword based targeting. So Meta is more about understanding about your audiences. So how you can able to target your right audience, we'll discuss in the upcoming chapters. But now you know that before running an ad in Facebook or in Instagram, so make sure that if you are running an ad in Facebook, you need to have a profile. Under the profile, you need to create a business page. In the business page, yes, you can able to run the campaign. So there is a difference between boosting the post and running the ads in ads manager. So whenever you post any content on your professional account, for example on Facebook also or Instagram also, below that you have an option called boost. That is completely different from running the ads in ads manager. Whenever you are trying to go with boost option, it will not have much of targeting. In that it is like you are burning your money. So always it is preferred to go with multiple targetings which is available on the ads manager. So next time whenever you are practicing, so create a profile, create pages and create an Instagram account and convert that account as the professional account. In the go for your meta business shoot, connect your Facebook page and your Instagram account, create an ads manager account and start running the campaign. So this is how simply you can able to create an ads in Meta. That's it for this session. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more digital marketing insights. Till then, keep learning.